Welcome, coder. I have a mantra when it comes to coding. Always be learning. After creating the original project template to be used with the tutorials that you will find here, I was unhappy with how many manual file changes had to be done before you were up and running with your application. I researched and found the answer to my concerns, though it was not without its own issues. However, I finally got everything smoothed out and ready for use. If you have already set up the original Blazor Project for GitHub Pages template, you will need to go into Windows Explorer, then navigate to Documents, Visual Studio 2022, Templates, Project Templates, and then select and delete the Blazor Project for GitHub Pages.zip file. With that out of the way, you can get the new and improved version by going to github.com/INSP coding and then clicking on the pinned repo, inspiredcoding.blazor.githubpages.template. Once there, click on the green code button on the right hand side and then click Download Zip. After the file is finished downloading, open your Downloads folder, double-click the inspiredcoding.blazor.githubpages.template-master.zip file, then extract it. When that completes and the newly created folder opens, click into the folders inspiredcoding.blazor.githubpages.template-master, then inspiredcoding.blazor.githubpages.template. Now just double-click install.bat and that's it. You'll be presented a warning pop-up that install.bat is an unrecognized app. Just click on More Info and then run anyway. After the install completes, the new project template is ready for use. If for any reason you want to uninstall the project template, just come back to this folder and double-click uninstall.bat. Those folders are quite a mouthful, but that's how GitHub structures the code it stores. Broken down, it's the project name and the branch, which means the version of the code you are working with. So in this case, inspiredcoding.blazor.githubpages.template is the project name, and master is the branch of code you want for the project. Master is the default branch that every project has. We will get more into creating different branches in a later tutorial. Speaking of which, now that this is out of the way, I can get back to work on getting that ready for you. See you then, coder.